Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create ads for Shopify products with AI. So firstly, go to Shopify and copy the link to your product, your Shopify product. So just copy the link of it, and then once you've copied that, go to this website here, creatify.ai. So we're going to use this to create the ad. Okay, so go to creatify.ai and then you can log into your account, or you can just click on try to create an account. And then what we're going to do once you're in, you're going to paste the link. Okay, so paste the link, your Shopify link, and click on analyze URL. Okay, and this is going to now analyze your URL, and it will get ready the scripts for you for the video ad. And here, so that's the product name. So yes, it has generated the product name. You can leave it as it is. So if you want to make any changes, you can simply change that, click on it, and then the description, you can have a look at it, and if you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you want to add any images or logo, you can click on this and add your image. You can do that. Okay, and then if you scroll down here, you will see that you have the photos and all those things. The photos are currently being analyzed. You just have to give it some time here. As you can see, these are the photos that's been analyzed, so you can browse through it and leave it as it is. So if you want to add anything, you can click on add it. Okay, so once it's finished, it has been analyzed and everything, and then next, you're going to go and click on the next option here. And here you're going to do the video settings. So you can select which platform you are creating it for. If you like creating for any specific platform, just choose that, for example, Instagram or YouTube, or else you can choose general, and then the aspect ratio, like if you're using for the phone, so you can leave it on 19:16, and the duration, how long you want it to be. So you can just choose the duration, the language, and then the target audience. If you want, you can just add in the target audience and then click on next. All these based on the product that you are creating the ad for. So just do that, and AI will now generate the scripts based on your preference and everything, the information that you provided. It will now create the scripts for you. Okay, so these are the scripts that's been generated. So you can simply have a review it and choose the one that best suits you, or best the one that you like. You can look into it, or if you want more scripts, you can click on generate more scripts. Or if you have your own script, then you can click on this use your own script and then type in your script here. Okay, so either way, you can just choose that, and then once that's done, and then you can select on what tone you want the ad to sound. So for example, if I'm choosing this one here, I can select the tone, click on the tone, and then in what tone, for a Gen Z or for engaging or something, you can just choose that. So you can personalize that as well. And then once you're done, hit on next. And then next, you go to choose your avatar. So for your videos, so what type of figure or model that you want to use, so which type of avatar for you. So you can just choose one, anything from here, or if you have any specifications, you can choose by gender, age, and all those things. So you can just choose one. Okay, once you have chosen, for example, I'll select that. Once you have chosen one here, okay, you're going to go select it and then hit on next. And then once that's done, so now it's generating the storyboard. We are almost nearly done with the ad creation. So next is the storyboard. So okay, so now it has generated the storyboard for you. So you can now click on it and then click the play icon to preview it. Okay, so preview it and see if it's everything is all right, and if you're happy with it. Okay, and then you can just browse through. There are different other options here as well, and if you want to make any changes to it, all you can do is click on this edit option here. So click on the edit option, and you can go to the editor, and then if you go to the editor option here, and you will be able to quickly edit any of for example, you don't want to change the avatar, you want to change the voice, or you want to change the music, you just click on it and then change it. You can do that. Once that's done, everything, you can click on save changes and then hit on render video, and that's it. Your video will be generated. So your ad will be ready, and once it's been rendered, you can simply click on it and download it and use it. And that's basically pretty much it is.